This is the most badass e-scooter ever invented. Meet A-Ride, the world's first full-suspension, all-terrain e-scooter, complete with fat tires and a super powerful motor. But just how powerful is it? Damn, son. A-Ride has a 50-mile range and can fully charge in only 5 hours. Plus, the 6061 alloy frame ensures long-lasting strength and safety. Climb mountains, then tear down the trail. A-Ride can tackle any terrain. Rip through snow, tear through ice, spray sand, shred through dirt, and quickly commute through the city. You've never had so much fun. With a high-torque 1,000-watt Mack geared hub motor, A-Ride boasts superior torque and performance. Fly at speeds up to 35 miles per hour and climb grades up to 30% with ease. A-Ride's stability and power make it the perfect versatile commuting option. Carefully and quickly commute through urban environments with ease and control. A-Ride's intuitive design and ultra-wide platform lets you stand at a natural position. This distributes your weight equally throughout the frame, giving A-Ride an incredibly low center of gravity. A low center of gravity means you can take turns even harder and faster than ever before. It also means more balance and stability, making A-Ride exceptionally safe and comfortable for you and your family. Created by Audric Lecour, a pro mountain biker from France, A-Ride was inspired by the Alps and born out of Whistler, with a mission to make riding more accessible and commuting more fun.
Next evolution of the Oyo Gym, Nova. Nova is a full gym in your hands that enables you to work out where you are right now and enjoy the same benefits as weights without the weight. T-handles provide a better grip to control the higher resistance levels and are reinforced with steel tubes. Nova features the same type of nylon-coated stainless steel cables used on health club equipment and the fitness breakthrough no other gym has. Double flex activation, providing resistance to opposing muscle groups within a single movement, building a balanced body in less time. You can expand the range of exercises by anchoring the Nova Gym to your foot or a door. Powered by our patented Spireflex technology with 10, 20, 30, up to 40 pounds of smooth Spireflex resistance that feels like plate-loaded equipment at the gym. Our founder of Oyo Fitness invented Spireflex resistance technology, which powers the Nova Gym. But before Nova, Spireflex was first developed for NASA to keep astronauts in shape on the International Space Station. A NASA 16-week ground study proved Spireflex technology increased muscle hypertrophy, or in plain language, increased muscle size as much as lifting free weights. If you have the time for the crowded health club, that's great. But what if you could save time and do those same exercises where you are right now? Chest fly, back fly, bicep, tricep, lat pull down, rows, shoulder press or raise, ab crunch, back extension. The Nova Gym with Spireflex technology enables you to fit fitness into your busy life, to get lean and fit anywhere, anytime, home, in the office, or while traveling. Build and sculpt your chest, back, arms, core, and legs.
intense, soothing, spa-like shower experience. Meet the Mise Microbubble Showerhead, the most incredible feeling shower ever. Mise is an advanced, innovative showerhead that produces tiny microbubbles that feel amazing and deeply clean your skin and hair. Switch seamlessly between mist and stream modes to enjoy the same microbubble power however you like. The microbubbles are ionized, which means they attract dirt like a magnet. They're smaller than your pores, allowing them to clean deeper than ever before. In fact, Mise cleans so deep, you don't even need shampoo. These microbubbles release energy and heat as they gently burst onto your skin, creating a warming sensation that remains even after showering. All while saving more than 6,800 gallons of water. This is not your mist mode showerhead. Mise saves water without sacrificing pressure. It envelops you in 920 million microbubbles per second for an invigorating, truly refreshing shower experience. Best of all, it's easy to set up. Simply unscrew your old showerhead and screw in Mise. No plumbers required. In short, Mise isn't just your ordinary showerhead. It feels fantastic, saves a ton of water, and, not to brag, is the winner of the coveted Good Design Award. The Mise Microbubble Showerhead is everything you want in a showerhead and more. Back our campaign today and change the way you shower forever.
Cheerable Board Game, a new interactive toy and a perfect companion for your cat. This multifunctional board is a great place for your cat to play, exercise, nap, and, of course, chase the Cheerable Ball. A Cheerable Ball makes Cheerable Board Games so unique. Rolling, hiding, and chasing by its smart gene, Cheerable Ball keeps your cat engaged all day long. With synthetic fiber material, outer shell, and light effects, this magic ball is made to please your cat's senses of touch and sight. Pick the ideal one for your cats to release their energy and cheer them up. It is so lightweight and completely portable, so your cat can have limitless options to play and have fun in any corner of the house. This smart ball keeps your cat moving to stay fit in a happy way.
This is Revolve Tray Box, the most effortless organizer for your everyday carry objects. From your keys, wallet, watches, earphones, minimize the contact. It feels like the upper part is floating, which makes Revolve Tray Box not only practical, fun, and a little bit addicting. It allows you to slide open and reach in the stuff you need in one motion, so you can head out with style and at ease. Revolve Tray Box. Hope you like it.